Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A72, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel and find the screen recording toggle, which for me is right here. And once you find it, you can simply tap on it to start recording and hold it to go into the settings where we can change a couple settings of it. So primary settings are right here. So we have the sound. This will allow you to record sound from either, no sound, media sound, or media sound and a microphone. Now, when going with the last option, media plus mic, I would strongly recommend you to use headphones, otherwise you will get an unwanted echo effect. So if you ever heard like this weird basically noise when the microphone is picking up the speakers and it's just kind of looping around and starts basically just squealing and blowing out the speakers, that's kind of what you're gonna be experiencing here. Now, going next one, which is the quality. Here we have 1080p, 720 and 480. Now, for purpose of recording actual best quality, stay with 1080p. This will provide you with the best looking recording. 720 will be, if you're watching this, for instance, going to be rewatching this on like a normal 23-inch screen instead of a phone, will start looking really bad. And 420, I would say, would be unusable. Now below that, we also have a selfie size. So this will include the camera on the front. We'll basically pick out whatever it sees and include it in the recording. And here you can set how big the circle will be on the screen. So right now, the size of this is actually a real-time size that it will look like when you enable it through recording. So once all that's set, you can just simply leave this, go back to the toggle and click on the toggle right here. Let's allow all of this and start recording. 3, 2, 1, and so whatever you will do right now will be recorded. So I'm kind of just messing around so it records something. As well, you can see there is the camera. You also have a pen, so you can draw on the screen. And from there you can tap on a square to save the video. So this will stop it and save it. From here you can find it in your gallery. Let me quickly... There we go. So there's the recording. So as you can see, that's basically all you can do here. So that is how you record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.